Hello, curious minds and future astronauts. Welcome to another exciting episode at Let's Learn with Param channel. Today, we'll dive into a topic that's as fascinating as it is mind-boggling: life on the moon. Ever gazed up at that silvery orb in the sky and wondered what it would be like to call it home? Well, buckle up, little explorers, because we're about to take a trip to our nearest celestial neighbor. In today's episode, we are going to explore what life would be like if we lived on the moon. So fasten your seatbelts, we are going for a lunar ride. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always intrigued humanity. But what's it really like up there? Let's embark on a journey to the moon, a world unlike any other. The moon's surface is a vast, barren landscape, punctuated by craters from countless meteor impacts. It's not exactly a beach vacation. Unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have an atmosphere. This means there's no air to breathe, and nothing to protect us from the harsh rays of the sun or the cold emptiness of space. Imagine stepping out onto the moon's surface, where a single day can be as hot as an oven and a moonlit night as cold as a freezer. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's, so you'd feel much lighter there. Can you picture yourself bounding across the moon's dusty surface in giant leaps? Living on the moon would surely be an adventure, with its dusty surface near zero gravity and temperatures that could freeze or fry us. Now imagine waking up to a lunar morning. How different would that be from our mornings on Earth? On the moon, a day isn't a quick spin around like it is here on Earth. Instead, a lunar day lasts about 28 Earth days. This means that daylight on the moon lasts for about 2 weeks, followed by 2 weeks of night. Imagine waking up to 14 days of continuous sunlight and then sleeping through 14 days of darkness. Our human sleep patterns and daily routines would have to adjust to this extended day-night cycle. But the moon's unique day-night cycle isn't the only thing we'd have to adapt to. The moon doesn't have the same resources as Earth. There are no farms or rivers or grocery stores. So, how would we get food and water? We'd likely have to bring our own supplies from Earth, at least until we figure out how to grow food and generate water on the moon. And what about the air we breathe? The moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth, so we'd also need to create our own oxygen supply. Life on the moon wouldn't be easy. It would challenge us to innovate and adapt in ways we've never had to before. But with the right preparation and tools, it could be possible. So, life on the moon would require us to adapt to a new rhythm of life and to find innovative ways to obtain our basic needs. The big question is, how long could a human survive on the moon? Well, that largely depends on the technology we have at our disposal. Currently, we possess the know-how to create airtight habitats and spacesuits, which are essential for human survival in the vacuum of the moon. We also have advanced life support systems that can filter air, manage waste, and provide water. However, these systems aren't perfect. They require regular maintenance and a steady supply of resources, most of which would need to be transported from Earth. This is a significant challenge, both logistically and financially. With our current technology, a human could survive for about a week on the moon, but only with constant support from Earth. Without resupplies, life on the moon would quickly become unsustainable. That's the reality of lunar living today. With today's technology, a lunar stay would be quite short, but who knows what the future holds? Living on the moon might seem like a distant dream, but science is bringing us closer every day. Today, we've journeyed through some fascinating possibilities of lunar life. We've taken a closer look at our moon, a celestial body that's been our constant companion. We've unraveled the mysteries of the moon's living conditions, understanding how its lack of atmosphere and gravity would affect us. We've also explored the potential for human survival on the moon, discussing the challenges and breakthroughs that shape this unique prospect. It's clear that space exploration and scientific discovery are paramount. They open doors to new worlds and ignite our imagination, allowing us to dream and innovate beyond borders. It's a beautiful reminder that our universe is a treasure trove of knowledge, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining me on this lunar adventure. Don't forget to hit subscribe and keep exploring with Let's Learn with Param. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and remember the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.